exercise for the rest of this morning. So we were going to start to convert our style guide components to use HTML templates and imports. Some of you have already done that. If you have already done that, we're going to work on adding a new component in. And I didn't write it up here, but we had a request yesterday when I asked you to think about components you want to do. We had a request for the accordion component, which we sort of started at the beginning of this week, but we never really finished because of the issues without using web components. That's not really pleasant to work with. So now that we've started learning how to use web components, we'll go ahead and give that a shot and see if we can implement the accordion component with Shadow DOM and HTML templates and HTML imports. If you want to use the code for create element for creating a custom element, you can go ahead and do so as well. Also, don't worry, because we're going to add that later today when we dive into custom elements. All right. So I'll come around, but pull up your style guide. Any of those inline components, we want to get those out of the style guide this morning. So we want to move those into their individual files. I'm going to pull up IntelliJ here. So, let's see, exercises. So under our style guide folder, right now I actually only have my hello badge as a component. I want to move all my others into their own folders here. So that button component, and the slideshow component we added yesterday. So those are the two big ones. If you've got to add in the other ones like spinners and whatnot, make sure we can get those into other files as well. And make sure they're all in a components folder. I don't really care what you name it, if you want to call it web components or whatever, but keep them all in their own folder. I think it's important to have all your components together there so you can see where they all are and